Ram Gardner.
Cameras.
Yeah. Yes.
See the camera and speak.
Okay. Ram Gardner.
Okay, so like, what is the course that you are taking today?
Data mining.
Okay, how useful the course is to you? How useful the course is to you?
Yeah, it's useful for my my current work.
Sure. So like, how do you feel about the quality of lectures?
So it was pretty good.
Sure. Like, how do you feel about the PPTs, the transcript materials we gave along with the course?
Yeah, that was good.
Sure. Is
Yeah.
there anything you want to convey regarding?
No, I think even the exam was tough. Like the quality is pretty good.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Parani Raja. So I'm from Sifi Technologies, a company which is in Chennai. I'm basically from a Chennai guy.
Okay, so is this your first exam?
Yeah, this is the first time I'm taking NPTEL.
How did you come to know of NPTEL?
It's excellent because last session I have registered, but I am unable to take the examination. I feel very wonderful subjects. 200 plus subjects. I'm in an information security domain. Today I have taken the IoT examination. The way, the approach, the systematic lessons online, it looks awesome.
So, how is this going to help you in your career?
I'm an information security guy. I'm heading the information security business. IoT is an emerging technology. So, this gives an eye opener to me to research in that area. It has given a systematic approaches of how IoT evolves and what kind of applications it has. So this is a kind of foundation for me. On top of this foundation, I'm going to build on IoT.
So, do you have any feedback on, any improvements or any?
I feel, one of the things which I have found is like, whatever I have been admitted in the assignments, the same questions are repeating here. So puts kind of some time to create the questionnaires. Because, I attended it's a 12-week course. In 12-week course, I have attended the assignments. So it is 120 questions. 80% of the questions are coming from the same questions. So the area of improvement is the question bank has to be put across and some kind of... It's challenging. Suppose if you have done the assignment, it's easy for you. If you have not done the assignments, it's a challenging. So a guy who is in a kind of a top edge and looking for some kind of challenging knowledge in IoT, so it has to be different. But what I feel, what I have been submitted in the assignments, coming same here.
So, were you active in the discussion forum? Were you posting questions?
No, ma'am, I have not been there. Thank you.
So I am from JPR Mamalan Engineering College, and NPTEL exam. This is my third NPTEL exam, and it was very good. And I have taken problem solving using C programming. So my feedback is about if we are doing a programming based courses, then the video length can be more shorter than now. And also, no, it's so long and some topics are so elaborated, but it can be so shorter. If my feedback is it can be shorter. And also, meanwhile, time practice for like other courses we are doing in online courses. Meanwhile, we have some of the the compiler's oversight, so we can just work it out when the tutor says to us. So it can be more effective if it is shorter and if it is more meanwhile doing basis like this.
Have you taken any other exams?
Yeah, I have taken Introduction to Internet of Things, and also I have taken Python.
So, have you taken the same classes in college also?
Yeah, same thing every day. The online courses is, in the other courses we have we can see like the videos will be only in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So here we are seeing videos about 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is elaborated, but also it can be shorter because meanwhile if you are going to cover and also we are going to practice, we need some time. If you are spending all the time in the video like listening, so the time we are going to spend is so much, because as we are students we have to do our academics and also we have to do like this. Yeah, in on. No, if the classes which I have taken in my college is not that much comparative to our NPTEL courses, but NPTEL courses is unique and totally different, and it is in what way it is unique means we can learn it from the professionals. They have been working for the long time and they have teaching what they are knowing, and we can learn this is not just they are not teaching from just what is written in the books. They have worked and they are facing the problems, and they face the problems and they are telling what the problems they have faced and they are telling to us, and we can also know. But in when we are coming to colleges, is that a little more bit slower and little more one step to go. Very thank you.
Research writing. This is my second paper on NPTEL. Previous one was health research fundamentals. Exam was very easy actually. Yeah. Yes, I had. It was only 4 weeks, so I could complete it in on time. I did my PhD when I registered for this course. This research writing course will help me to write up all the chapters, as well as in submission of various publications also it helped me. Okay. Yes. Only we around 1.5 hours to 2 hours only we have to spend. But apart from academic skills, we can improve all the knowledge also. Okay. Thank you.
My name is Ramalingam Govindarasu. I am from Chennai. I have been working in a company called Barry Miller Design Group. I did product design and development. I have gone through the internet that some of the programs are available related to product design and development. I am interested in doing some design, and especially my project is based on product design and development. So I googled it and I found that course which is conducted by NPTEL, and also the courses are conducted by the IIT. So especially because of the IIT, the course will be very good. So because of that I chosen this course. Yeah. Since my course is 4 weeks course, when I was in on-site, that time I had more time to do the courses. But especially in offshore like India, so we can't manage that course in the weekdays. We have to do in the weekends only. So somehow I have managed. Exam was good, and that time given is 3 hours, but I could manage within 1 hour. So because all the courses material and the questions are very objective type, I could complete by 90 minutes, I think.
So were you able to submit all the assignments?
Yes. No, I missed to submit 2 assignments because of my project duration. So.
Okay, so you took this because of your industry experience.
Yes.
So how has this helped? What have you picked something new?
I want to do more advanced courses. Since product design and all, this is preliminary course. I have to complete the preliminary first. Then I will search for another advanced courses. I'm going to do another exams. Thank you for your question.
My name is K. Shivalingam, working as a professor of civil engineering and Adi College of Engineering, Kanchipuram. The examination is very good and it enhances the knowledge to student as well as practicing engineers also. Thank you. Thank you.
Vignesh, my name is Vignesh. St. Joseph Engineering. IoT. Yeah, first time. Experience was nice, but I didn't prepare clearly, so I couldn't answer the questions. But the exam was easy, so next time I'll prepare properly and then I'll come. Yeah, I attended JE before, so it was very easy. So the same portal, so it's very easy to attend.
Downloaded the videos and watched it, or you
No, I watched it online. I watched it online. Actually, we should submit 8 assignments something. So I was able to submit some 4 to 5 assignment. I couldn't because exams are going on this time, so I couldn't submit the assignment. Content was very good, but we have to be very choosy on what we have to, like what topic we have to choose. Content was very good. Professors very good. They know what they have to teach, so contents are very good. No. College are like totally. I want to learn something different. That's why I chose. Yeah, interesting. Obviously, yeah. Thank you.
Chitra from Perry Institute of Technology. Numerical methods finite approach. Easy. Okay. Only 2 days preparation before the examination. During the assignments, we work out all the questions, then discuss the formulas among the staffs.
get any questions from the assignments also?
Yes, ma'am.
And why did you choose this particular course?
We are taking this course for the students, numerical methods. So it is handled to easy for approaching the exam. Yes, sir. Some basic ideas are learned from this course. Thank you, ma'am.
I am Dr. J. Sivakumar, ma'am. Hindustan College of Arts and Science. Working as an assistant professor, bioenergetics and life processing, ma'am. It was nice, ma'am. Really superb.
Why did you choose this course?
Because we are from a life science background, doctorate in zoology, so we got some information from. It was nice, ma'am. It was nice. Course content was nice. Conduction of examination was also nice. I think we are going to join another. I think next season we are introduced to new. So say really, ma'am. No, ma'am. Next time I think Madras University they are going to implement it's one of the part of the curriculum, ma'am. Online course exam to the students also. So definitely will. They are having in their syllabus, ma'am. Biochemistry. Obviously, ma'am. No doubt at all. So being a teaching profession would be nice. So the technology nowadays, modern days, they are using several Twitters, Facebooks, WhatsApps, everything. But this is one of the very good purpose for the improvement of knowledge-based orientation. So really, once again, I congratulate your team, NPTEL team. Really, it is nice. So one of our librarian member is the local chapter convener, Dr. Esther Hemlata. So she asked us to join this course. So almost today 15 or 16 members from our college we wrote their exam. Yes, ma'am. I think afternoon session also some of them they are appearing. And tomorrow sessions also they are appearing. I think from next season the numbers will increase seriously, ma'am. Really, it was nice. Superb. Thank you so much. Okay.
Please come.
My name is Anusha. I'm working as a professor, assistant professor in Ithiraj College for Women, and I had taken 3 online courses over here, and this is the first exam which I have attended. Everything this time I have written the morning section as research writing. Actually, I found it quite easy and comfortable. The video lectures were good, but of course I try like the video lectures can be also compiled into a Word document in a format that can be done. And some reference book can be also made in addition, so that we can make up the exam quite more easily because of a lack of a time for our preparation. We need more reference books so that we can go through that also. And
So, how was the course content?
the course content was actually good. Actually, it was quite elaborative, and it was a 4 weeks program actually. So
Why did you choose this course?
because the thing is actually we are in the field of actually research, so we actually I wanted to know in depth of something about research knowledge, which I actually took up in this particular course. Little more elaborative discussions and the lecture patterns were all very good actually.
So, did you, were you active in the discussion forum? Did you
No, the thing was actually I was not active in the discussion forum because of our second semesters, and we were actually held up with our practical work and all that actually. Probably in the next section I may actually take up with other courses where I'll go with the discussion forum actually. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Ajay Tharwani. I'm from IIT Madras. Data Science for Engineers. Sorry? The exam was rather easy. Like I could finish it very quickly, and like I had studied these concepts before, and the videos were very helpful. And assignments, all the questions were from the assignments itself, so it wasn't that tough.
So you are a full-time student, so how do you find time to watch videos and submit assignments?
So right now I'm in my currently I'm in my final sem, so we don't have many courses right now in the final sem because I've already finished most of my credits. So I'm just taking it for the knowledge purpose, which will be helpful for my job, which I'll be taking like in couple of months.
What job are you?
I'm in analytics itself, so my job my job profile is data science itself. So it was very obvious that I had to take this course to revise my concepts, and it helped a lot, like to cover the basics, whatever I required to brush up my concepts, which I already knew, but I needed a course to revise all of those concepts. And the exam was very helpful. So I am like right now I should say that I'm really prepared for my job, and because of NPTEL, it's very helpful. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Dinesh Tankaraj. I'm working at Caterpillar. I took the Introduction to Internet of Things. It's excellent. The quality of the course is very good. It's really going to help me in my job and as well as my knowledge in this emerging technology area. I am in R&D, software engineering. Yeah. Actually, in Caterpillar, I am working on the Internet of Things. We are actually connecting our machines in the Internet. So this was very relevant to what I am working on, and that's why I picked this course. Yeah, it was excellent. I wouldn't say it's easy. It is a great learning experience for me. The quality of the professor, in that video was very good. Yeah, it is really helping me do my job well. I use my weekends for this, Saturday, Sundays. It's been a little challenging, but I managed it. Yeah, more or less. Yeah, more or less. Yeah.
So this is your first time?
Yes, this is my first course. Yeah. Absolutely. And thanks to definitely. Yeah, I'm already encouraging my wife to do this, as well as my teammates in work. So great service, by IIT as well as I think this is organized by our human resource, MHRD. So really want to thank, whoever is involved in this great initiative. I definitely feel that this will help in skilling our engineers and folks in India, right? I look forward to do more of these courses in the coming years. Yeah, thank you.
My name is Raghavan. So I'm from St. Joseph Engineering College. I'm taking the Data Science for Engineering course. It's really nice, and lectures are also very good, and the exam center is also nice. Questions are framed in question formats are also very good. So it will be a nice experience.
Why did you pick this course?
So I would like to study the machine learning with R statistics. My project is also my bachelor degree project is also on based on the statistics based project. So I would like to take an R, so that only I am choosing the data science course.
So how is it different from what you learn in college?
So the technology is different. So
Learning a course online.
Yeah.
Sitting in a classroom.
So online is very comfortable.
When did you study?
Yeah,
With your friends?
no, with my staff, with my guide. So he is also teaching. So the lecture also very good. The online mode is very comfortable, and if you go any institute, so the time format will be there. IIT lectures also knowing lot of knowledge, so they also. So it will be helpful, and the doubt clearing forum is also very useful. Yes, I am also. Yeah, sure. Response is also immediately, so that will be help me.
So how is this going to help you?
How is it?
Taking this course, how has it helped
I'm learned something from R, so I execute practically, so then it will be helpful for me. So thank you very much.
Your name, sir?
My name is Abhishek, and I come from Sri Sastra Institute of Engineering and Technology, and about my experience in this exam, I actually liked that type of examination type, which is online but not as a paper and pen, and it was very useful that all our assignments and those questions related to all our courses and those detailed informations were given in our question papers as a base model for all the engineering courses and not only for the selected courses, and it's a way. Yeah, I just opted for aircraft maintenance and engineering systems, which is a part of civil aviation and aircraft maintenance systems. So that's it. Thank you.
So have you taken any similar courses in college?
Yeah, I have
Is this different?
No, actually, this is in college. Like I'm just studying my first year. I'm just gonna complete my first year graduate, and this made a base for me to know about an aircraft and all these bases and its components and its infrastructure details, which is useful for my course. Yeah, right.
You think this is going to help you when you take up a job or you look for a career? The certificate
Yeah, yeah. Actually, this is a type of exam or way that my course is included, so that actually my course is a part of designing an infrastructure. So from this exam, I came to learn that there are even more components and designs that I have yet to learn, so that a new idea can be evolved from these exams. So I think it is better conducting more exams would be useful for everyone.
You will take up more courses?
Yeah, sure you'll do it. Yeah, I will do it. Thank you.
Morning, madam. Morning, myself. I'm R. Suresh Kumar. I have been associate professor for the past 5 years. I am working in Arubadi Institute of Technology, OMR. Actually, I enrolled for the introduction to Internet of Things. Basically, we have the assignment week by week, and we have to submit on Wednesdays. So we took up it seriously, and I enrolled the course for enriching some advanced topics. So basically, it fulfilled my expectations. So, but in the end examination, I feel somewhat it's I have to prepare more more wider manner. The contents was good, but the examination we have to look more into even the internet also for a wider area. Actually, we don't have any objective type of examination so far. Only the examination for computer science we are having an objective type. Here it is a objective type, so it is a we can understand the questions easily. But if you know the answer correctly only, then you can give. Previously they told and gave introduction about this NPTEL courses some 6 months back. Then I got some interest, so we have to go and learn for some new courses. That's why I registered. So actually I will be registering some more courses in the next semester also. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My name is Nagendra Kumar. Hindustan University, Kovilambakkam. Non-destructive testing. Okay. This approach of education which helps me to have interaction with IIT professors, first of all. The second thing, the approach of examination conducted and assignments given, which is helping to know the depth of knowledge. Yes, thank you.
V. Abhinaya, St. Joseph Institute of Technology. Antenna. Yeah, it was easy, better easy.
So you have taken a similar course in your college also?
Yeah, I have the SEM exam.
So that's why you took this course. How is it different from what you learned in college?
Yeah, just some formulas were differing, but every concepts are similar.
Same. So how did this help?
I'm doing my project in antenna, so I thought it will be useful for me.
Was it useful?
Yeah, it was useful.
Yeah. How was the exam?
Yeah, it was easy.
It was easy. So were you able to submit assignments every week?
No, I completed 6 to 7 assignments I have completed because I didn't have touch with what my staffs are taking and the topics which were there, so I couldn't do others. 6, 7 I have done.
So how do you think this is going to help you?
If I'm going to refresh it back again and again, it will be useful for me in my project. So I think it will be helpful.
So what about your career?
My career.
A certificate from IITs. Do you think that will be helpful?
Yeah, it will be helpful.
My name is Shabana. B.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. C programming. It was very nice. I expected it is a little bit tough, but it is very easy. Yeah, I did. In first semester, I did my. I learned from basics. In college, I learned only one semester, but now I have learned a lot. Yeah.
So were you able to submit all the assignments every week?
Okay, I can submit.
You were able to submit. The portal is easy to use.
Easy to use.
So where do you watch the videos? At home or in college with your friends? Or how do you watch the videos?
In home. At home.
So how do you think this is going to be helpful for you in your future, in your career?
In career, I can able to write my own program.
You are able to write your own. So
This will help me.
help you when you start looking for a job.
Yeah, absolutely. For that only, I have registered that for improving my C knowledge. Thank you.
This is Perumal from Savita Engineering College. I wrote programming C examination. The questions was very nice. It's only a fundamental questions. It's nice. Some of the questions maybe the choices may be the wrong, and I should represent through by my mail. I asked them. They asked me to represent by mail, and the lectures and presentation and all very good. And my humble request: I am going for another exam also, microprocessor and microcontroller exams. They may represent either 1 or 2 microcontroller. At a time they go for 4 to 5 microcontrollers. Even we cannot remember that. Even we are working as well as, and I belongs to CSC department. I go for that microcontroller exam also afternoon, but I will go through that material also. 4 to 5 microcontrollers in the sense it's difficult for us to remember that signals and all. Either 1 microprocessor or 2 microprocessor, 2 microcontroller. That's what my humble request. They may consider because they go for ARM, PIC and 8051 and another one AVR. They go for 4 microcontrollers. So it's difficult for us to remember all the bits and. Yeah, of course. No. Even in our college we have that NPTEL facility, and my wife she's also working in some other JPR Mammal and Engineering College. She's in their college. They are used to take that exams regularly. So she asked me to take up this exam. So she forced me to register 3 or 4 courses. So I just registered because of our interest. But it's good, and assignment submission and all will get satisfaction once we are going through our progress. And even in assignments also, whether they are going to consider that or not. Some of the questions, the choices may be some which is not present in that answer. So whether they told us that they will consider. Maybe while putting up the questions, they may go through the questions. Only they are going to upload 15 questions. They may go through it first, then they can upload. Later, they through by forum or some other thing, this question is wrong. Say something like the corrections are coming. Even we are running up with our own either research work and other things side by side to satisfy our management or other things, to improve our things. We go for that NPTEL examinations. We go through once and go through that assignments. We will submit it. Later, the forum we cannot always watch that forum. So that's the thing. So it's my humble request. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. And I'm happy that government and IIT took these initiatives for the faculty members and staff. This is very, 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 very nice, ma'am. Even I saw my college students also there. I thought that no one is coming, and like that. People are they are eagerly taking up. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for that. Thank you so much.
Raghavan, Anna University, AC Tech campus.
Steam and gas power systems. Yeah, it was fine, I guess. Some last section was a bit difficult, but he asked what he thought. That's really nice, I guess, because this is my 5th exam. Last time I attended mechanical operation, it was really difficult. I flunked. So this time I thought to prepare a bit more. Hopefully I'll pass for sure. This particular course, I'm a chemical engineering student, so basically I needed to know a lot about boilers and a lot of stuff that I have not learned in my university. So I thought of choosing this and waste to energy conversion, which I'm going to write tomorrow. Yeah, content, everything was fine. He taught me really well. It was really good. But normally studies will be a bit boring, so there's nothing wrong in that. But he taught me really well. Questions was also easy. College, the difference is the thing that assignments and the way of teaching, the alignment of the topics which he has to teach for the 8 weeks. That was really nice. That's it. It was really good experience. Stimulus. Yeah, I can add a resume. I had a point in my resume, hopefully. And maybe it can be a plus if in an interview or anywhere else, if they ask questions from this, if I answer them correctly, maybe they'll think of me like a bit okay, he has learned something outside of the books, and online books are really good. Yeah, it was easy. I got used to it, so no problem. It was easy. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to write another one. Next semester, hopefully I'll try another one, I guess. Thank you.
My name is Naveed, Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College. And I took power system analysis in electrical. This is my 3rd experience, and it's improving a lot. And this is the best, I think, of all the 3 exams I have attempted. And it was all good. It was more than I expected, and every topic of the course is covered, and it will be I think it will be helpful for me in GATE exam.
So in college also you have taken?
Yes, I have taken, but this was more easy to understand than that I have listened in college.
So what is your next? You're looking for a career, or is this going to help you in your?
Yes, definitely. In writing GATE exams and this another competitive exams, I think this is very helpful for me.
The next semester also you're going to?
Yes, I have registered for basic electrical circuits.
Okay. So you have taken 3 exams. So what do you have any? You see where somewhere we can improve ourselves?
Yes, this will be really helpful. And
How can we improve? What more do you
yes,
want to see?
problem solving skills will be improved, and it is the concepts are very easy to understand, and this will be more helpful in competitive exams, I feel.
Ramanathan from VIT University. Very good. Internet of Things. Questions are very good. Infrastructure and location, the exams are easy to identify. Second time I'm writing. Already I got one certificate, database management system. It's the second time. No, my own interest only. I have registered for next thing also, machine learning. Yeah. No, next semester.
So you have, how long have you been teaching?
14 years. Yes.
How is this different, sir? What do you see in your work?
So the questions, mostly the questions are application oriented instead of theoretical way of learning. All the concepts are applied with applications, and the questions are such a way in thinking, and we can answer for it. So I can inform to the students also, but I can, when I am taking the subjects IoT with other database management system, helpful to explain with more problems and analyticals.
So next semester again we'll see you back.
Yes,
for another exam.
yes, confirm.
And students are also.
Yes, writing. So we are having additional bonus mark for online certification exam.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you define that? If a student completes.
Because we are having some criteria that 12 hours per week is compulsory. Not on any online course, 12 hours. Suppose the entire semester 42 hours is must. So here mostly 8 weeks, 12 weeks course are there, both assignments as well as examination. So mostly we'll prefer NPTEL or Coursera.
So for this you give how much marks?
10 marks.
Okay. So many students will come and.
Yes. So they are writing in near to my place.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there some guideline from your college and management that this?
Yeah, we are having one nodal person for NPTEL is there.
No, what I'm asking is, like they'll give you 10 marks. That is a guideline that you give to the students. Say
Yes, it's academic rule. Academic rule. It is academic rule.
something you can share with me. Can you send it to us so we can tell other colleges these are colleges, these are things that.
I want to ask my permission.
No, what we like to do is, when we come to know of any college that is doing this, we can tell others that this is what
Yes,
others
yes.
are doing. You can also start something like this.
Yes.
Motivate students.
Yeah.
When you see, when you tell students if you do this, you'll get this.
Yeah.
That sometimes motivates them. If you get permission, please send it to us.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay, Shankar. My name is Shankar. I'm from Kovilambakkam. I'm working in a Sairam institution, Sairam Engineering College, a teacher. Advanced graph theory, mathematics. It's a very easiest one, madam. Just want to do the PhD in graph theory, so that I just want to know the basic concepts. So that's why I'm choosing this advanced graph theory concepts. Own interest only. It's not the yes, several students are applying. Yes. Easy to follow, madam. Assignments is I done it, all the assignments. It's a very easiest one. Different means, madam? Ama.
Now you are a student, right? You are a teacher. You are a student. So what do you see as a student? And what can you take from your
Nothing is a different one, no problem. Thank you.
I'm Padmini from SRM University. I would like to acknowledge my sincere thanks to Suresh Kumar sir, because I've attended the effective teaching course, which would help us to go in a longer way, so it would improve our learning further better. Only one kind request: if they could pose the questions and solutions, we would have a result. We can check our results, know where we could make mistakes. That will also improve.
posting the exam questions and answers. So you, how long have you been teaching?
I have been 15 years.
15 years. So how is this going to help you?
No, surely the way we are going to teach to the students to enrich their knowledge. Like many things we have observed. So many things while during the lectures when the sir was teaching, and Richa Verma was also one of the other professor. So when they were teaching, it was very interesting that what certain mistakes we do and what we can improve in the future.
This is your first course?
Yeah, first course actually I started with MATLAB, but I couldn't go ahead. So this was the first course now I've completed successfully.
Okay, so can we expect you to come back and do more courses?
Yeah, of course, sure. Yeah, either way, tomorrow I'm also doing the power system analysis, but I'll do further courses in the future.
So other colleagues are also taking up.
Yeah, many of my colleagues and my students are taking up the course. I thank you for this portal for helping us to enrich our teaching actually.
You have a full-time job, so how do you manage your time with
Yeah, of course, that is quite difficult. If it is a 4-week course, I could manage. But if it is a 12-week course, we have to struggle hard. So Saturday evenings fully we'll see the lectures till night, and then we do the assignments and somehow. Yeah, we have done. Yeah, I have done all the assignments.
So the portal was easy to use for you.
Yeah, portal was very easy. That is all user friendly.
Content also.
Yeah, the content as far as when we come to the core subjects, like we could know better. Like all the power system oriented concepts were been fully entitled, and we were knowing how we can pose the questions to the students to us to test their knowledge. Thank you. Thank you.
I am Yashwant. I am from RMKCET from Tiruvallur. Today I took the exam Introduction to Model Application Development. It was average level only, but way of conducting exam was very good. All seating allotments was good, and every facilities were given for the candidates, so that in that no problem in that and all. No, I am writing this third time. Yes.
Now it's third exam, so can you give us some feedback on how we can improve this? Anything that you would like to see but it's still not there?
But finding the locations, exam locations are too far from the city to outer. Not college, even though city, many of them feeling from outer stations they are coming. They are finding very difficult to come over here because they are around here and nothing is there. So they are finding difficult.
So this particular course, have you taken anything similar in college also?
No, not like that and all.
What made you choose this course?
Self-interest only.
So how do you think it's going to help you?
This yes, in my course side also it will help for me.
So next when you apply for jobs, you think this is going to help?
Yes, this will help for me.
So you know anyone who has such courses has helped?
My college seniors, they have told that this will help for that placement and all like that. Importantly, NPTEL only, they said, because my college staff also doing same course only.
Okay. Your name, ma'am?
Yeah, Mrs. K. Sumati.
Okay. You're working?
Yeah, I'm working in an engineering college.
Where, ma'am?
Yeah, Sri Sairam Institute of Technology.
Okay. So which exam did you take today?
Software defined radio.
Okay, so you are in CSM.
Yeah, easy. It's related to my subject.
So either you chose because you wanted to learn or in the college then they
Yeah, it is related to my PhD work. Yes, because of that I've chosen this one. So it is related to my work, PhD work. So I've chosen, so it will give more information to my subject related work.
How was the exam? How was the content?
Yeah, the content is good, but the time I've not prepared it well. Yeah, it was very useful.
So do you think it's going to help you in
Yeah, in future. Yeah. It is more helpful for my PhD work. Yeah, it is not related to my subject. That is for students. It is not related to that. To some extent, it will be useful. Yeah, it is coming under cognitive radio. The 7th semester paper our students are having, so it will be more useful for them.
So this is your first time?
Yeah, it's the second time. Third time. Third time.
Third exam?
Yeah, third. Last semester also I've attended one paper. I've got a elite.
Super. So do you see any area where we can improve and we can improve? You want something there, but we are not still providing anything. When you're taking the course, you think I wish it was like this. Is there any area where we can improve? Because feedback from
Yeah, problem solution is important. Okay, I've chosen that paper, so which is more problem related. Yeah, if more explanation is given with respect to problem solving, it will be more convenient for us to solve.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
My name is Vedavati. I'm from SDNB Vaishnava College, Krompet.
What are you studying?
I'm studying BC, ma'am.
BC. Which course did you take today?
Database management system today.
How was it? How was the exam?
It was quite easy.
Easy?
quite easy.
Quite easy. So you prepared well.
I have prepared based on the lecture notes and based on the assignments. It was little. I want to think a lot for it. It was quite easy. Yes.
So have you taken any similar course in your college?
No, this was my first experience.
So the content you are able to follow easily when submitting assignments and all that?
It lightly differs from our college notes, and it will be more in this course problem related things will be more. Theory part will be very less. So it was slightly different from the.
But the content itself, it's easy to follow.
First I felt slightly difficult, but days passing on, I got through.
This is your first time?
Yes.
You'll come back for more?
Yeah, I trying to do next year.
Next semester also? Thank you.
Thank you.
So your name?
Pavitra. Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology.
Which exam did you take?
NPTEL Analog Circuits. Easy, but I have to study more, I think.
Prepared enough. So why did you pick this course?
I'm interested to study the circuits, that line. That's why I chose.
So in college they tell students go take this exam, or you did this on your own?
My sir suggested to take this.
So your friends are also taking some
Yes,
exams?
they are coming tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So course content is easy to follow for you?
It's very easy.
Okay, so this is your first time, you said?
Yes.
So you're coming back next semester?
I'm trying to study deep.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Next you're asking. What's your name?
Priyam. I'm from SRM.
Which course did you take today?
The IMAD, Introduction to Modern Application Development.
How was the exam?
The exam was good. It was easy and it was good.
Okay, you had prepared thoroughly and
See, the thing was see the assignments I did, but during the end of the course, the dates clashed with my exams, like my college exams. So I couldn't keep up, but in the end it was good. Like
the content and everything was proper, or you managed to?
it was proper.
It was proper. Any feedback for anything that you wanted but we did not provide or something?
I don't think so. Like they've got the essence of it. Right.
Have you done this course earlier in college?
I did one, but I couldn't take the exam. So this time is the first time I'm taking the exam.
First time you taking this NPTEL?
Yeah, it's my second year. Yeah, in the first year I did like 2 courses, but I couldn't take the exam because I couldn't keep up with the assignments.
Okay.
So this time
Next semester you will be coming?
I have another exam right now, like after an hour. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Saravanan. I'm an employee. I'm actually studying my upper studies for the computer science and engineering. So these courses I enrolled in the NPTEL is very helpful for the studies, and the course contents are very useful, and it is very elaborate.
Are you able to manage the assignments?
Yeah, yes.
As you are a full-time working employee?
Yes, I'm full-time working employee.
Where you are working?
I'm working in Johnson Controls.
Okay, so is this course useful for you in the academic field?
Yes, not much, but it's for my own interest I'm doing that course. Yes.
So what made you to take these courses?
This mostly my AME subjects related to these courses. So almost the syllabus content the NPTEL is similar to that my studies.
Actually you are
Studying for computer science and engineering.
Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah. Aditya. I'm from IIT Madras. Yeah. I did numerical linear algebra offered by IIT Kanpur. Yeah, the exam was very easy. The assignments were very nice. The exam was much easier than what I expected to be. The assignments were much more difficult than the actual exam. I took this course because my understanding in linear algebra was a bit weak, so I wanted to strengthen it with mainly the concepts like SVD and some things related to eigenvalues. Overall, the course was pretty useful because I was not allowed to take the course in my university as well due to class restrictions, size restrictions. So that's it. Yeah, I think. Nothing. You could could have been a bit more clearer about what you are allowed to bring inside the exam hall or not. Like watches and mobile phones, you were clear, but about stuff like water bottles, it was a bit unclear. Overall, the experience was very smooth. Actually, inside my exam hall, my computer got disconnected, but the staff were very helpful. Within minutes, they got it back. So yeah, overall the experience was very positive. Yeah. Yeah, for me definitely yes. Yeah. Yes, this is my first time. Yeah, I'll probably do one more course next semester. Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
My name is Balakumaran. Yeah. I'm actually studying in school currently. Yeah. I'm 12th standard, currently in 12th standard. I have taken on Introduction to Chemical Thermodynamics and Kinetics. Yeah. Because I'm preparing for the JEE mains exams. So since it's an introduction thing, I thought it would be useful for my preparations. Yeah, I have started. Yes. The 11th is almost completed, so we have to start 12th and start revising the 11th. Yeah. Yeah, just. Yeah, I have. There are many courses in NPTEL regarding JEE mains and advanced, but most of the topics are out of context with respect to the JEE syllabus. So at least one or two courses may be I might take if the topics are relevant to JEE syllabus. And this is my first time writing NPTEL. It was a great experience for me. The staff management was really nice, and they clarified our doubts with ease. And I would like to congratulate NPTEL for giving me this opportunity to write this exam. And however, I also think that the paper could have been more difficult. Yeah.
It was easy?
Yeah, it was easy. Yeah.
Okay, so how was it, how was the assignments and everything of the course?
Yeah, assignments was very well, after every topic they allotted assignments, based on certain topics. And the course instructor also clarified our doubts really well. So yeah, it was proper. It was, the assignments were related to these topics, and it helped us to improve our topics really well. Yeah.
Compared to exams and assignments, which was easier, assignments or exams?
Yeah, I think it was almost 50-50. You could say both, yeah, because questions were related to the assignments. So if you would have solved the assignments well, you could have done the exam really well.
So any feedback about NPTEL?
I would say that I think paper could have been more difficult. You could have have various types of questions. You only had MCQs for this particular course. I think you could have still had multiple choice questions like multi-correct options, then even subjective type questions, comprehension types, etc., which would have been more enjoyable to solve these questions, etc. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm Akhilesh from SSN College of Engineering. I took design and analysis of algorithms. Exam was little easier than the assignments, of course. Duration, it was good, but I felt time was little less because I had to manage my college work also. Not with the exams, but I had the other college work, so I could not do my programming assignments properly.
What do you
Yeah, it was because I have a course. It's the same course as my college, but it's in depth, so it was useful.
Compared to college, how was this course?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah.
So was that college course was good, or I mean, it was this was more in depth, or
Yeah, it taught everything quite good, but in college course was a little more in depth compared to this. Little in depth, more in depth. But I can't generalize because each has its own. Like this course had more depth for some topics compared to the other college.
so your feedback for NPTEL?
Yeah, it is very good in such thing and good in programming assignments and that's all. And I will. Yeah. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sneha. I'm from SSN College of Engineering.
Okay, so which course did you give today?
Programming in C, problem solving using programming in C.
How was it?
It was good.
So how was your experience with the course?
Because I'm already doing C in my college, like in my semester, so it was easy for me to cope with this.
How was
So,
the assignments and everything?
yeah, it was easy.
It was easy.
Good.
So any feedback for the NPTEL course?
Feedback.
NPTEL portal?
I don't know. I find it good, so I don't have any.
Okay, overall experience?
That was also very good. I don't know. Thank you.
Your name?
Or Saranya. Saranya.
Okay, from which college?
Jaya Engineering College near Tirj.
Course to
DBMS.
Huh?
DBMS.
How was it?
Well experienced.
Okay, so this course have you taken by your own, or your college suggested?
It's
you?
my own.
What made you take this course?
It's a favorite subject is DBMS subject. Yeah.
Okay, was this subject in your college?
Yeah.
Yeah. So still again you wanted to know more about this course or what?
It's my interest.
You're interested in it. So what? How was it useful for you? This course?
It's a database to is useful for project or any.
For your college project?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any whatever it's used for a project or mini project or.
Okay. So how was the assignments and everything?
Yeah. Okay.
It was nice. It was difficult. Good. How was it?
It's okay.
Compared to exam, and how was the assignment in exam? How?
Different.
Yeah. It was different.
Yes.
It was useful. Yeah. So feedback for NPTEL. Any feedback?
No.
No feedback. Thank you.
Hello,
Your name, please.
I'm Usha.
You're from?
I'm from Sairam Engineering College.
Okay, you're a teaching professional.
Yeah,
So which course did you take, ma'am?
embedded system design.
Okay, so it was related to your
Yeah, I'm taking for
So how was it useful for you?
yeah. I had a nice experience here.
Yeah. Overall experience?
Fair experience.
Fair experience. How did you manage with the assignments?
Yes, ma'am. I was able to complete all the 12 assignments.
Okay, it was a 12-week course?
Yeah.
So was it?
Yeah. Yes. It was very useful for me.
Full-time employee now?
Yes, ma'am.
So was it manageable with the time for
Yeah.
and all everything? Feedback for NPTEL?
In the exam, one question was wrong. In the future, try to correct it.
Okay. How was the video courses and everything?
Yeah, it was very useful. Thank you.
Hello, Sangamitra.
You're from?
I'm from KRMMC College.
Okay, you are working there full time?
Yeah, full time.
Which course did you take today, ma'am?
Bioinformatics.
Okay, how was the exam?
Nice.
Was it useful for you? This course
It
was useful?
was. It was.
It was. Will it be useful for your teaching profession?
Yes, it will be.
It is related to your
It's
subject?
related. Yes. it's
Okay, so will you try to teach students what you learned, and is it relatable to you more?
Yes, it's related.
How was the assignments and everything?
It was nice.
Nice.
It was nice. It was very comfortable.
Okay.
And with the lectures given earlier, it was useful to relate.
Okay. How is the content of the course?
Good.
Good. It was, I mean, proper for you.
Yeah, if it's lengthened up also, I wouldn't be very happy with that.
And any feedback for overall experience, ma'am?
It was good.
Good. And any feedback or suggestion to NPTEL?
Make it longer, make it a little bit longer, because when it finishes fast, in short period, you do not know so much. So if it's longer, it would be helpful for us.
Okay. And will you be take more courses in future? The next semester, have you enrolled?
I might. I haven't enrolled, but I look for it.
You are looking for it. Related to this course only or any other course?
No, similar course, but not any other course.
Okay. So you are trying. You will be trying for the next course in the next semester.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Thank you
so much.
Name, please.
My name is Richin John Charlie. I am from Audi. I feel that the exam is very good and the courses are very good. And we should take it in a positive manner and make use of it, instead of just wasting money and just coming and writing doesn't mean anything. So we should make use of it. It's a very good thing by the government. Thank you.
Which course have you taken today?
Sorry. Problem solving through programming in C.
Okay. So how was it actually?
Yeah, it was nice. It was easy. I feel.
Duration of the course?
Yeah, it was enough.
Assignments and all?
Yeah, not really. Yeah. Yeah, assignments were, it was practically, it was good. Yeah.
Was it useful for you?
Yeah, it's useful only, yeah, but I didn't make use of it completely. So I'm just starting with computers. So I just started with C. That's all.
Is this course available in your college?
Yeah, I did it in first semester.
Okay.
So I just
Wanted to know
more about it. So I just, yeah.
Any feedback?
Yeah, that's good. Professor I think Anuram Kashyap, his name is. So it was good. He explained it very good. So I feel it good. Yeah.
Take more courses in future?
Yeah, of course, yes. Yeah, for sure, yes. I'll take it. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Gautam Mandal.
Okay. You're from?
I am from West Bengal, but I work here in Mahindra Sri, Renault Nissan.
Mahindra. Okay. So what course did you take today?
Today I taken introduction to the mechanical of vibrations, and I have again second I have one more course.
Second shift you have to give.
Yes.
Okay. So what made you take this course, sir?
It's
These two courses?
No, not only these two courses. Actually, I heard about the NPTEL last session.
Okay.
So that session also I take through 3 courses. This session also I take 3 courses. Actually, I want to take more course, but I cannot give more exam because it's conflict. Only 2 days. So actually, I want to give more, and I want to take more actually.
Okay.
But due to this limitation, I cannot take.
Okay.
And its overall experience is very good actually.
Okay.
And I think this is my opinion that NPTEL should launch some program like BTech diploma like kind of things.
Okay.
So like this they can conduct this kind of online classes, and any institute or any IIT they can conduct that practical, and they can offer that BTech degree course, because a lot of interior people which are from village, they can't take or offer this amount of cost of engineering like me. So they can take this opportunity, and we can increase the engineering or technology of our nation. That's all.
So how was the overall course experience?
It's very good.
With assignments and all?
Yes, very good. Last time I have taken 3 courses. Out of 3 courses, I was in 2 courses I was the topper.
Oh, nice.
Yes, and this year also, this time also I have taken 3. So next session.
As a full-time working employee.
Yes,
so
I
how
am.
do you manage the assignments? and
Not much. After work, maybe every day if 1 hour enough.
Okay. So any feedback or suggestion, sir?
That's what I already given.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you. Next course you will be taking more courses?
Yes, I think I will continue until till the NPTEL will offer course, and I thought I will finish all those courses.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello,
Your name?
Chitra Lakshmi,
You're from?
SRM University.
So which course did you
I have taken the basic electronics course.
take? Okay, so it's related to your subject?
Yeah, long back we studied, so it's like recapturing the basic that we studied earlier.
Okay, so what made you take this course?
What made you to take the course? It's interesting. Already I used it in online courses with the foreign university.
Okay.
So this is the very first time I've taken from IITs.
NPTEL, okay.
No.
So will you take more courses in future or the next semester?
Yeah, now itself I am afternoon. I have another one exam tomorrow morning. So
Tomorrow morning also one
an exam.
Okay. Any feedback for NPTEL?
It's interesting and more interesting. When we solve problem, we are impressed and we are doing more courses.
Okay, so will you be ready to teach this subject to your students?
Really.
Yeah?
Hmm.
Will it affect will be it is more applicable to your students like I teaching?
Yes, we learnt it. No, so we will be.
Okay, so how was the assignments and all? It was
I feel some assignments are easy, some are little bit tough. It takes time, even though we are professionals.
okay. So are you able to manage with the assignment submission and all?
Yeah, we managed. We managed. There is no difficulty in managing the assignments. And this test is also interesting. So when we are done assignment, it's easy only. Thank you.
I'm Mahalakshmi from Chennai, New Prince Engineering College.
Okay, so which course did you take today?
Power System Engineering.
How was it?
It was nice. Very nice.
It was actually this is related to your subject.
Yes, yes. My major, I have taken my major ME in Power System Engineering.
Okay,
So that's why I selected this course.
So how was the course experience?
It was very nice. I learned more technical about that particular area, particular subject.
So will you teach your students about this?
Sure, sure. First, for teaching only we studied that.
So is it you find it very easy and it was very nice?
In some particular places it is a little more difficult, but it was very nice actually. I learned a lot from that particular subject course.
Take more courses.
Sure, 100% sure.
And next semester have you enrolled it?
Didn't start that. How to search for some other better course.
Any suggestions for NPTEL?
I think they are doing well. They are providing PPTs, PDFs and solutions. That is proper only. Very nice.
I am Ramakrishnan. I am working in Sri Sairam Engineering College as a mathematics faculty. Now I have done the course in numerical linear algebra. Probably in the as far the course material is concerned, it could have been better had more problems been solved. And as far as the test center is concerned, we are comfortable. And this is the second time I am doing the course, and already I have done 2 courses, and it was well organized. But this numerical linear algebra could have been better. The tutorial session could have been better.
So how was the assignments?
We referred various textbooks and then to solve the problems.
Was it difficult?
No, exam was easy. Now we thought that the solving all these problems will take longer time, and if the problems have been asked like what they have given it as an assignment, it would have taken very long time. But the test in the test that the questions that has been asked, it is easy. So it would manage. We are comfortable, right?
Okay, so
Yes. Now we definitely are very much pleased to do the course in IIT, this particular NPTEL, and we will continue to do more courses in future also.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
My name is J. Kishore Babu. Actually, this is my third paper.
Okay.
I have given 2 papers earlier.
Okay.
I got the 2 certificates. Okay. So now I gave one more paper. So it is quite useful for the GATE examination.
Okay, you're
so
preparing for GATE exams.
yeah. So I was already qualified in the GATE examination. Actually, if you want more knowledge, if you want more comment on the subject, if you want deep knowledge in the subject, it is better to go in the online this NPTEL courses, and it is quite useful for the GATE preparation also. So they are conducting weekly assignments and they are providing the very well. They are asking different questions, okay, which we are not seen earlier. So this kind of questions we want, okay. So that exam assignment questions and exam is also very well. So this is if you want more comment on the examination, I mean subject, it is better to go with this NPTEL. Thank you.
Oh, how was the
Yeah.
exam?
It was fine. For system engineering.
You actually, why, what made you take this course?
It's part of like it's required before graduation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you're studying for?
BTech electrical.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it was related to your subject?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Was it useful for you?
Sure.
Sure. Will,
Yeah.
will this course be useful in future?
Yes, it will.
Will you register for more courses in future?
I think I will. I will.
How was the course experience?
Generally, it was okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Assignments and everything?
Fine. Yeah.
Was the course content for you?
The course content was, 100% fine. Mm. I think my expectations have been met. Mm.
From whom did you know about NPTEL?
Online.
Online only you saw.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right. Thank you.
your name please?
Annie Bernish from Chennai only. Yes, I am working in Panimalar Institute of Technology. Programming in C. It's very nice. Yes, and in my assignment also very useful to write the examination, and its examination also, and the examination hall also very give me provide everything. Exam center, exam center. What? Yes. 1 hour travel only. 1 hour travel. So it's okay. Overall experience is very nice. About the course, it's my assignment is very useful to write this exam. So exam also very easiest one. Yes. Yeah, this is my first time, first experience. But it's nice experience only. I am very afraid about this first, but now I am writing. Yes, next time I will be take another courses. Cloud computing, I think. Yes, cloud computing I will take. Willing to take. Okay, thank you. Feedback, examination hall also nice. You provide a very good everything is nice. NPTEL, because question also easiest, no, so we will feel good. Questions also easiest, and in my curricular also it will be usefulness. I am taking C programming, programming in C theory, so it's also very useful for my students and for me.
Has it enhanced your teaching skills for?
Enhance, because this is objective questions, means its aptitude questions are more here, so it will be useful to take my students for aptitude. Students also give aptitude like this. So it's also useful for me and my students and her. Okay, thanks.
I'm Dr. K. Parvatam from Sri Sairam Engineering College. I've taken the course Numerical Linear Algebra. I'm from Mathematics Department. Actually, the lectures was mostly theoretical, but we had more problems here. It would have been better if the lectures have been problematic. We had 12 assignments. It's a 12-week course. Yeah, the assignments we were able to manage. We were able to do it. Yeah, it was really good. Actually, learning after such a lot tough time, it's really good. It was really good, and it makes us interesting to learn again also. I'm planning to again attempt for another paper.
Jai Ganesh, Tamil Nadu. I'm working as assistant professor in Government Engineering College, Thermobari. Thermodynamics of fluid phase equilibrium. It was nice. It is very useful. This is the first time. Actually, I am aware of the NPTEL courses for a long, and right now I am doing my PhD in Amrita University. So, as a part of my curriculum, all the courses what we need may not be offered by the university, and among the courses offered by the NPTEL, one of the courses which suited my requirement, I found out and discussed with my guides and registered for this. No, colleagues in my research curriculum, research area, they are taking these courses. Yes, sure. Master, actually, postgraduate students are taking this, but undergraduate students should also take it. If they take it, it will be useful for them. It's a very nice experience. Regarding this exam, if I have, I will ask directly to forum. I had like the question like that, I got the answer also. Nothing to say. It's a good one. That's one I can tell. Suggestions. Nothing. Actually, everything is going well. So nothing more to suggest. I hope so. Yes, sure. I will take. Thanks.
exam was very good. I attended in the morning session. So it is my pleasure to write the NPTEL exam because it's a known unknown things we have to learn from NPTEL courses. Very useful to this, but it is the students, that is in case of students, they have to need some more training in NPTEL. Because this is the exam period, so we only faculty only allowed to write the exam. So this is an exam session for the Anna University students. So the exams will be postponed in between the June to July. It is very useful to students. They are in internship and in plant training during that period. It is very useful. Lakshmi Sangeeta from Velamal Engineering College. Okay, sir. Thank you.
My name is Nitin Siddharth. I came here for NPTEL online examination. I have written the enhancing soft skills and personality development. The exam was extremely good and I really loved it. NPTEL is doing great job to non-IITians, especially to people who are in rural areas. So I wish aspirants to all the best, and I request NPTEL to conduct further more examinations. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Ravi. I appeared for Indian Art Appreciation course. This was only out of my passion. Actually, I am an engineer by qualification, but I wanted to do something on Indian art and architecture, which was my passion, and this was a good forum for me to learn. Thanks for NPTEL for giving me an opportunity to get a formal qualification in this subject. The overall arrangements was very good, and in fact I am appearing for an examination for nearly after a couple of decades, and I am seeing NPTEL is up to date with technology, with all facilities. I thank once again for NPTEL for all these arrangements, and I wish to provide a lot of courses like this to enable people to continue their education. Thank you.
Usually I am from Chennai Washermanpet. The location center is far away from me. Kindly allot near centers for us. Some our college mates also from Kanjipuram. The location center is very far because the timing consuming also late. Because I reached the center nearly 2:30. The exam is very easy actually. Allot some extra near service center. It's my request. Thank you.
I am Sri Krishna from SRM University. I gave the exam. It was nice. The online exam was good experience. I enjoyed it.
So what is the course that you have taken?
I took Principle for Human Resource Management for my course. I'm from Calcutta, but I'm studying here in Chennai in SRM University.
How was the experience?
Yeah, actually the experience for the course was really good, and even the videos were really good, and I got to learn a lot about it. Even after being an engineering student, I learned about it, and it was really nice for me. I really like it a lot. Before that, I used to prefer Coursera, but from my college itself, I got to know about it. So it's really nice. I loved it. Yeah, thank you.
I am Jonathan Altrop. I am from Patrician College. Well, I thought of taking up this course since it will be helpful for my future. It was actually quite good. Quite good. I liked the exam, the assignments, and the courses were very nice. I think I did principles of human resource management. It was quite well. I loved it, and I think I would take up more courses on the future. The lectures were quite good. It was very easy to understand, and moreover we gain plenty of knowledge in all of this. Thank you.
Myself, Sri Vachan, working in one of the leading IT organization. So I just want to take up this exam. Not only take up the exam, but have the knowledge on this subject. And it was really good teaching from IIT Kharagpur, and the exam organization was really good. Thanks a lot. I have taken the cloud computing course, and it was for 8 weeks, and the course was really good. Exhaustive and really good.
What do you feel about the quality of lectures and the supporting
Quality of lectures is good. Supporting materials is also good. But since I'm working, I have to take some time out of my job and spend some time on learning. But it's really good initiative from all the IITs and central government. Thanks a lot.
your name and place where you come from?
Yeah, my name is Balaji. I'm working in a water and wastewater treatment industry as a technical manager.
So, what is the course that you have taken?
I have taken a course on environmental microbiology, and the course was pretty descriptive, and it was very good to take all the lectures, and the course was very informative. The assignments were excellent, and the exam was organized in a very good manner, and I support all the best for NPTEL in the future.
How do you feel about the exam materials, the quality of supporting materials we give with the PPTs or transcription materials? How do you feel about that?
Yeah, the materials provided and the PowerPoint presentations were very great. It was very informative, and it was very descriptive, and all the references provided were also informative. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Anuradha. I just took the examination today, and it was good, and the arrangements was also very good, and all the online examination system we didn't have any difficulty. It was very good. It was well organized, and we are very thankful to
What is the course that you have taken?
health research. Fundamentals of health research was the course I took.
How do you feel the supporting materials we do along with
Yeah, it was very useful, and it was all covered in the classes and in the online classes. All the material was covered, and it was very helpful.
how do you feel about the NPTEL model now? How do you get useful to that? How useful?
Yeah, it was useful, but as we apply only, we have lot of issues and doubts when we actually apply that. So while we read it or when we listen to it, it was all very good. But actually when we apply, application is always a problem. So that we have to learn by experience only. Thank you.
Then I'll ask questions. Please see the camera.
So I am Dr. Usha Rani, working in RMK Engineering College. The hospitality provided was very good, and the arrangement was excellent. The seating arrangements and provided all the facilities were very nice. Outcome based educations. Everything is excellent. Already the time period was okay, so I read the video lectures properly, and I am able to attend all the questions. Sir, because of time constraints, I am not able to attend that programs, discussions. Thank you very much.
Sasishri, I'm currently not working anywhere. I'm just trying for my MTech in the current year.
Okay, what is the course that you have taken?
I have taken cloud computing.
Okay, how useful the course is?
It was quite useful because the resource materials and the lectures, video lectures were there, and it was pretty useful when I can go for it during my free time.
Sure.
Yeah.
Tell me your name.
My name is Stafford.
Where do you come from?
Yeah, my name is Stafford. I come from Perambur in Chennai. Actually, I don't work. I study. I'm studying in Jaya Engineering College, second year of computer science engineering. And this is the first time I'm actually coming for an online examination. It's been a different experience. It's really good, and I never really expected NPTEL to be this good, and it's really good. So,
What is the course that you have taken?
I taken Python.
Okay, how is the quality of the course?
The quality of course is really very good actually. All the online videos and everything were really very helpful. It was more than what I expected actually. That's the thing.
How you find the assignments useful?
Yeah, the assignments are really useful because whatever we learn, we have to try it and see. We have to always like apply it, and that's the main part. So applying is one of the main part of learning. And so after watching the videos and after like applying it and like trying it, it's much easier. You know, it's much easier to retain the memory and everything. So it's much better.
Okay, like how do you feel about the assignments? How do you feel?
Yeah, the assignments are really very useful. That's why.
Discussion forums, how do you use it?
Yeah, discussion forums is like sometimes, you know, when we know the assignments, like we get the wrong answers. Okay, like we give the answers and they're wrong. So then we have like this idea of why is it wrong? Like we want to know why is it wrong. So then when we go on to the discussion forums and stuff, they give us a lot of information. Like how do we go on with the answers, and like why does this error come up, or why do we face this error or something in the programming, and that's one of the reasons.
Okay,
so
like
it's really very good.
Okay, for a typical student like you, first time taking an online exam, how do you feel different from your conventional classroom?
Yeah.
Probably like 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah. The thing is actually classroom examination. It's basically like you just go and sit and you write you write everything, and it's like totally like lengthy and everything. You just have to keep on writing everything that you memorize. But the online examinations, it's NPTEL is totally different, because the thing when it comes to online examination, you're just gonna go there in front of a computer and you're just gonna give you multiple choice or anything that's one word answer or a multiple choice. So it's like spot on. It's just like what you're gonna give, the question and the answer. That's it. You don't have to do anything else extra, and it's much easier actually. It's much better.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Krishna Raj.
So where do you come?
I am working in Gujarat. My home state is Chennai.
Okay. So how do you come to know about NPTEL?
So actually my son is studying in a EEE branch. He's engineering in EEE engineering. I asked him to undertake some courses in machine learning, artificial intelligence. So meanwhile I searched through some courses. I came to know some soft skills, personality course and emotional intelligence course, which I find something interesting, so I take the exam.
So what is the course today you are taking?
I taken the soft skills and personality.
Okay, how do you feel about the examination first?
It's very good.
So is it like you are taking it from an industry perspective, like how do you feel the video lectures and the quality of the content you provide? How do you feel about that?
That author T. Ravichandran is very nice. That whole lectures are very nice.
Okay.
So it's really good, thought-provoking. Sure. So I learn lot of things going through.
Have you used the course discussion forums?
So yeah, I used in my industry.
So how do you feel about the discussion forum concept by itself? Like, how do you feel about that?
I gained lot of the new perspectives about the soft skills and personalities, which I found it's very useful to me. If I will use in the industry.
So NPTEL in 1 or 2 lines, like how is the
NPTEL is a very good concept. So because it's a lot of materials is available online. So mainly I searched for my son only for this electrical electronics branch. I searched a lot of the electromagnetic theory, then machine learning, then artificial intelligence, then new code language. It's a lot of materials freely available, provided by IIT and IM. It's a very nice concept by the Government of India.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So like what you are doing, and then I'll ask questions. See the camera.
Well, I am SG Murli. I'm doing my BE Mechanical in Kovilambakkam Engineering College. My plans are to do MBA, so I'm doing courses on human resource management. Like I came here for principles of human resource management.
Okay, like how do you feel about the course?
The course was quite effective because it was totally new, and I already had a similar course like this in my curriculum at college, so it was quite good.
Okay, like how different is this NPTEL course from your conventional classroom?
Well, it was, of course, it was been taken by IIT Kharagpur staff, Adra Malik, so definitely it was totally different. It was quite expensive.
Okay, like what do you feel about the assignments and how do you do the assignments?
Assignments were quite easy. I expected more because the assignments are only MCQ types, so it was quite easy. Might be they should have asked like paragraphs or graphs, something different. It was quite easy.
Okay, can you like say about something about course forums? How do you use it? Course forums.
I use it through the laptop. Like, there's a web portal called Online NPTEL. I use it through that. Thank you.
So introduce yourself.
Miss Murli, and I'm working as well as I'm interested, and I did this Six Sigma course. It was very useful for me in my career as well as to know many things in that.
So like how do you feel about NPTEL report, like how the quality of the lecturers?
Yeah, it was very good. They are going very slowly, and they are taking all the topics whichever is really required for the topic.
Okay, so have you taken any online courses before? Like this?
No, this is the first time I have taken.
How do you feel about this online education and how NPTEL?
Yeah, it is really very good. I have registered for 3-4 courses, but I paid only for one because assignment everything was there. So it was really good and good learning experience for me. Thanks.
Hello, I'm from SRM and my name is Arpan Josh.
Okay, like what is the course today you have taken?
Today I've taken control systems. So it's basically the course means I'm not subject. This is a subject which I'm going to opt in the next year. So I wanted to pre-study this subject. So I took it in the NPTEL course.
Sure. So how do you feel about the subject? What is the knowledge you gained through the subject?
The knowledge I gained is I took the club, means all the videos are very good. So I basically got the basic idea about the control systems. So yeah, the experience is good.
What do you feel about the supporting materials we give along with the course, the PPTs, the transcripts?
The PPTs is actually very helpful. Along with this lectures, when we study the PPTs, so we get thorough with the course. The course get thorough and we finish it.
Okay, how effective are the assignments to get you prepared for the full course? Like
Assignments. You see the PPTs and after a point of time you forget it. So assignments are very important. So if you do the assignments regularly, you will be up to the marks. Means you can recall every time whatever you studied.
Okay, like tell about NPTEL in just 2 lines. Like for the entire model, how do you getting benefit from that?
NPTEL they are doing this in a very good system, and I liked how they do it. They give the lectures and the assignments is very helpful. So
sure. Will you do NPTEL courses?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Your name? Just see the camera.
My name is Nitya. I'm working as a research assistant in Madras Medical College. So I'm here to take the test on health research management. So it was a good experience for me to attend.
How do you feel about the NPTEL courses? Like how useful the course was for you for your
It was very useful for me because I'm in a research field. So I found it very useful.
Okay, like how do you feel about the assignments given? Assignments supporting materials?
Yeah, that was very nice. Thank
you. Tribhulam College of Health Sciences. So the thing is Gokila. I am an assistant professor from Tribhulam College of Health Sciences. The way of conducting the examination, that and all good, but it is a little bit difficult to find out the place. So it is far away from our college. So that is the one problem. Other things are very good.
What is the course that you have taken?
Health Research Fundamentals.
Okay, like how useful the course for you?
So it is useful for me to guide the students and to do my PhD in future. I think it is okay for me. I learned something better than before.
Like, does your students do NPTEL courses?
Yeah. I'll make my students to do. Our colleagues are doing. Today also they have.
What is the thought process of your students about NPTEL courses? Like, how do they take it seriously? Like, how do they feel about the courses?
So students in the sense they feel better only. They can understand more than before. So it is very helpful to do the project. So the statistical analysis and all, it was represented. The PPT given, the text versions are very good to receive. So much more better than the textbook itself. Online course is good when compared to so the study material. Going through the study material, this online course is very good. Thank you.
Name? See the camera.
My name is Yog Garg. I'm from Tripalaltedium, Kanchipuram, Chennai.
Okay, like what is the course today you have taken?
Yeah, I took a Python programming course.
So, like, how useful the course is for you?
Regarding my engineering degree that I am doing, it's not that useful, but later on in my life and some competitive exams, it's gonna be useful.
Okay, like how do you feel about the quality of lectures we gave?
They were very good.
Okay, like regarding the assignments, like how do you feel about the assignments in completing the course? How useful the assignments are?
Okay, yeah. Regarding the completion of the course, the assignments were good, pretty good, but the difficulty level was a bit higher than the exam.
Sure. Like, is this the only examination you have taken online, or any other things you have taken?
I took a couple of exams online.
Sure. Like when compared with other players, how do you feel about NPTEL, and what do you feel about NPTEL models?
Okay, compared to other things, others like Coursera, edX, NPTEL is a bit. Their course structure is a bit more technical, so it's relevant to scientific or engineering degrees, etc.
Sure. Thank you. Ma'am, can you just see the camera?
Yeah.
So can you just?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Dr. Sita Ramachandran.
Okay, ma'am. Like, so what are you doing?
I'm basically a HR consultant.
Sure.
Specializing in psychometric analysis
Sure.
and training need analysis.
Sure. So what is the course today you are taking?
I took emotional intelligence.
So how do you find the course useful for you towards your job?
The course content was quite exhaustive. I find it quite relevant mainly because I have been trying to concentrate on the education sector, and they have done a good exhaustive work. Coverage is good on the education sector, on leadership and on culture, because organizational culture is very good. So it has given me a very good thought process. How do I take this further on for my consultancy?
Sure. Like, how do you feel about the supporting materials we give out through the course, like PPTs or the transcript versions we gave out? So how do you feel it?
In fact, as for the examination point of view, I have worked only on that. I didn't touch anything beyond that.
Sure.
So that's okay. That's why I said the coverage was very good. And it has given me a good thought process. How do I proceed with my work henceforth?
Sure. How do you feel about the NPTEL model, and like how it helps the people to learn?
See, for me, maybe at
Yeah,
my level,
fine.
the learning was easier, the understanding was better, analysis is better. When I could analyze the course content, the relevance, and how do I take it further. So for me, it was good. I can't say from the point of view of raw students. But otherwise, I would say it was quite simple and understanding technology.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
I am Devyani Srivastav, and I am currently in third year BTech Tripoli from SRM University. So I chose for course C++, Algo and data structures, and I think yes, the level of exam was right. Like they were concentrating on basics, which was required, and it would be helpful for future interviews in fourth year. So I think yeah, the course was really good, and I will look further for other courses. Thank you.
Okay. How do you feel about the supporting materials we gave in the course, like PPTs, transcripts? So how do you feel about it?
I think it was thorough, but it should be more friendly, user friendly, in this sense because different colleges are like referring to their material, and like I am from Tripoli and I am studying for CSE course, so I thought that yes, it could be like more up to the point and like more user friendly, but still they always take feedbacks and they keep on improving. So I think yeah, NPTEL is a great place to learn.
Your name and the college or workplace you belong.
Okay, so yeah, I am Karthik Shore and I'm from SRM University. So like NPTEL is a great platform to like.
Can you just tell the course name that you've taken? Then
I have taken the Python course for the data structure and the programming. So I think it's a great platform for students to work from, like to study from home. Okay, to study from home and to get the knowledge of different fields in different engineering fields.
Okay, like how do you feel about the supporting materials we gave along with the course, the PPTs?
The supporting material is really good. I've been through. I've done like this was my second course which I have took. So I think it's really nice to be part of.
Have you like how do you compare NPTEL with other online providers? Like how do you feel NPTEL is unique?
How can I say about it?
Like how do you feel NPTEL is useful in the sense like online education with Coursera or something like that? Others.
Okay, the courses the other online platform provides are not much more interactive as NPTEL. So this is what I feel is like edge over other online courses.
Sure, thank you. Thank you. Hello, sir. See the camera. Tell your name and the college or workplace you belong to.
Okay. I'm Bismita. I study in VIT. I'm in my third year. I needed a certification course to enhance my knowledge about data structures and algorithms, and that is what I took. And The course is really good. There are good video lectures available on the site, and the exam was more or less based on whatever they had given, so it was a good experience overall.
So how do you feel about the supporting materials we gave, the PPTs, transcriptions? So how do you feel?
Yeah, all the materials were really good. The PPTs were especially good when I had to revise last minute for this exam, and otherwise also it is very useful for anybody who is doing C and C++ because it gives you everything from the basics till graphs, trees, everything. So it's very helpful.
Sure. Is there anything you want to say about any particular?
I felt it could have been more, it could have involved us more if there were exams in between. Like there were some online exams, irrespective of whether it had any weightage or not, so that we had an idea as to what kind of questions and what kind of time limit, and they could be more challenging than this final exam itself. I just felt that.
Dr. A. Hemalata, CK College of Engineering and Technology, Kadalur. I have written in soil mechanics and geotechnical engineering paper, but I didn't expect comprehensive question was a bit tough for me to attend the examination. Well, yes, course was very nice. I have attended I have done all 12 assignments. It was very nice, and question was easy, but I didn't expect this.
Have your students are following the courses?
Yes, our students are more than 50 to 60 students are writing this examination.
Sure. How do they feel about the course, the NPTEL courses? Like how do they feel?
This course will help the students for their academic performance good. They can write the examination also very good if they attend correctly.
Sure. How do you feel about the supporting materials for the course?
Supporting materials, they are both audio and video feedback given by them, and the material given by them is also very nice.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Tell your name and the workplace or college you belong to, and then I'll ask you to see the camera.
My name is Zuma. I'm a housewife, and I did the course Enhancing Soft Skills and Personality Development. It is very interesting. This is my first, I'm doing this online course. It is very interesting and I enjoyed it a lot.
Sure. How do you feel the supporting materials for the course you student?
Yes, it is very good.
Sure.
Yes.
Anything you want to say about NPTEL?
No, everything is, I am very much satisfied. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm Devaki. I'm a lecturer in a college of nursing. I have done exam in health research in fundamental. This is my first experience with NPTEL. It was really, the learning experience was interesting. I could learn some online examination and other details by online. So it was a learning experience for me first time. So I'm very happy with the exam also. I could do better.
Sure. How do you feel about the supporting materials given through the course, like PPTs?
Yes, everything was fine. I was satisfied with whatever material has been given because it is an additional way of adding up my subject knowledge. So it was very useful.
Sure. How do you get to know about NPTEL?
One of my colleague was done the exam previously, so she is guided me. So with that help, I could do it better. Okay, I have a request is that it can be more of like the next future coming courses. It can give some many options like health related things so that we can utilize it better.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tell your name or the college or workplace you belong to, and then I'll ask questions. See the camera and then ask. Yes.
Okay. I am Satish Kumar. I am from IIITDM. At present, I am doing a PhD program in thermal engineering.
Okay. Today, what course you have taken?
So I have taken numerical programming, computation in MATLAB, using MATLAB.
So how was the course? How do you feel?
Yeah, it was good, very good. This is second time I am writing. So still I have planned to continue this habit throughout each and every semester. At least summer and winter I used to take one course.
Sure.
It will be very much helpful to me. So I have to consistently follow this habit.
Sure.
So it was a good experience.
So how do you feel about the supporting materials we gave along with the course?
Yeah, everything was good. even right from the instructor to the assignment, whatever the material he uploaded, everything it was good.
Sure.
So
is there been live session for your course?
yeah, it was there. A lot of what forums also there. We can able to ask our queries easily. We can able to clarify our doubts.
So what do you feel about the live sessions?
So far, I didn't went for any live sessions, but consistently, if you ask any kind of queries, means immediately we will get a response. So there is no nothing about what response and those things. So it was very good only. No problem.
Sure. Thank you. College or workplace you belong to. I'll ask questions. See the camera and then answer.
Okay, my name is Manoj, and I am from Chennai. I am studying in Weltech University. I belong to Computer Science and Engineering Department.
Today, what course you have taken?
Programming data structures and algorithms using Python.
Okay, how useful the course for you?
For me, actually, it is a credit course, and I have taken this course to mainly learn the programming.
Okay, like how do you feel about the support materials given along with the course?
Everything was good.
Sure. Is there anything you want to convey with that, like the pros and cons? Anything you want to convey?
No, it is pretty good.
Thank you. Tell your name and college or workplace you belong to. I'll ask questions, then you see the camera and answer.
Okay, good evening. My name is Saurish Palit and I am from SRM University. And today I was giving a test on control engineering, and I think it was a good test. Like when I gave the assignments and all, it was good, but today I found it was a little hard and all. So just waiting for the results, and everything was okay.
Okay, like how you feel the courses for you to
Like the courses which I filled, I had them in my college list, so I wanted to do that here also. I wanted to get a certificate, so that's it.
So how NPTEL course is different from your college course?
The difference is that NPTEL courses are a little hard. It is a little hard. The NPTEL courses are a little hard than the college courses because there are some extra things which we have to learn from NPTEL courses. Like 2 or 3 chapters, they were a little hard, and I think that the things which we study in college, they are a little easy compared to what we learn over here, and just that's it. Yeah, thank you.
So I am Rajeshwari from Narayana College of Nursing. I am coming from Nellore. So today I have taken health research fundamentals. It was good, and all the arrangements was nice. But only thing is, like in the afternoon, we were waiting outside, and it was very hot sun. No, at least some arrangements could be made for that. Otherwise, the exams and all the other things were good.
You said you are faculty, right?
Yeah.
Like, your students are taking the NPTEL courses.
No, this time only faculties only have taken. Maybe we will be encouraging them also to take it up.
There's a program called Local Chapter where you can enroll in these.
Yeah.
Like, how do you feel about the supporting materials we gave along with the?
It was very nice, and it was very understandable.
Okay, the PPTs.
Yeah, PPTs and even the lectures and assignments what we have taken, everything was good.
Sure. Is there anything you want to convey the pros and cons to NPTEL?
Nothing. Good. Thank you.
Yeah, so my name is Ayush Garg and I am studying in IIT Madras.
Okay. How do you feel about the NPTEL course? How useful it is?
Yeah, it's pretty useful. Actually, a lot of courses are there, like given by the professors of my college itself. So they are very useful when I'm doing a course there, and it's a very sort of an additional material. And otherwise, also it's a pretty good initiative, I guess, because of the certification procedure. I think people from non-IIT colleges can also gain access to the faculty in IIT, and these can be very good resume points for them when they are applying for companies and all.
Okay, like, how do you feel about the supporting materials, the PPTs, the transcripts we gave along with the lectures?
Yeah, that's also pretty good, and even the assignments, they were very, very helpful. Like a lot of the exam questions were based on the assignments only, and it was a very good practice throughout the semester. So it's all pretty good.
What is the course that you are taking?
I took Six Sigma.
So how do you feel about the discussion forums?
Yeah, actually I didn't use discussion forums much, so I would not like to comment on that. Yeah.
Regarding the live sessions, we do clarify doubts.
Yeah, I didn't participate in any of them, so I won't like to comment on that. Yeah.
Is there anything you want to comment in general regarding it?
It's a very good initiative. I think the exam center was also very nice. In the feedback I gave all maximum points, all the arrangements, the way it was, the seating arrangement, everything was pretty good. And yeah, I'm looking forward to take more courses in NPTEL later.
Okay. Myself, P. Ashok Kumar. I am working in Farusha Emission Control Technologies.
So what is the course that you have taken today?
I have taken Introduction to Composites. So the overall lecture videos and the training modules are very good. It's been a very good learning to recall of my basics, and then it is very useful for my industry backup also.
Sure. Like, how do you feel about the supporting materials we gave along with the
The supporting material was really what we can say, the mark is very good. So, and the notes are given by the lecturer and the way he teaches, so everything was very good.
Sure.
Thank you.
company or college you belong to, they can ask questions.
Okay. I'm Mini Prince, Associate Professor, St. Peter's College of Engineering and Technology.
So what is the course that you have taken today?
Today, data mining.
Okay, how useful the course is?
It was good actually.
How do you feel about the NPTEL lectures, the quality of lectures?
Quality is good, understandable. Yeah.
Like the supporting materials we gave along with
Everything was very good. Yeah. It was very helpful. Yeah.
anything you want to convey?
I think we can regularly we can watch it and follow it properly. It will be very useful to the students. Yeah. Thank you.
My name is Shrija. I am studying biomedical engineering in SSN College of Engineering. It was very nice writing an online digital exam, and I have written for the course on data structures using Python. It was really nice, and the center was really good.
Okay, like, how do you feel about the supporting materials we given the course?
It was very nice. The questions were asked from the assignment what they have given. It was really good.
Sure, thank you.
My name is Abdul.
Okay. See the camera.
Okay. My name is Abdul Rahman. I'm coming from IGCAR. I'm presently working as a JRF. So now I take an exam is NPTEL course, that is a MATLAB. So that exam is good, and that video lectures are also very good. Thank you, sir, for giving best videos and giving best tips. I learned so much in MATLAB. Thank you.
Okay, like, how do you feel about the supporting materials we gave?
Yeah, that video content is good, and PPT is also good. Yeah, everything is good, and exam also good. Thank you.
This is Ravi Kumar Singh. I am from Bihar, and I am from SRM University, Chennai, and currently I am pursuing my BTech from SRM University, third year.
What is the course that you have taken?
I have taken data structure in C.
Okay, how useful the course is to you?
It was really useful. I learned a lot of things, and videos was also nice, and it was really helpful for us. Thank you.
Okay, like, how do you feel about the supporting materials we gave along with those, the PPTs or the transcripts?
Yeah, PPTs was every week we got a PPTs and particular videos for learning a lot of things, and the teachers was as I was expected, all were good.
Sure. Like, how different NPTEL course from your college course?
In college, we have to skip some classes and all, we have to attend all the classes, then we got to know. But in NPTEL exam, we can watch every time when we got free time, then we can watch the videos. So it was really helpful for us.
Hi. Yeah, well, my name is Divakar, and I'm from SSN College of Engineering, which is an OMR. I undertook the Python program by Mr. Madhavan Mukund, and it was excellent, and I really liked it. The course was 8 weeks, and it was very good. It was quite evenly laid out. No week felt heavier than the other. The assignments were pretty dynamic, I'd say. And the checking was also pretty dynamic. So you cannot cheat the paper. Yeah, it was on the same level, but some questions were a bit higher in standard. I just think that I wanted to learn something new, and I just picked it out of random, and I think I'm pretty okay about it. No. Well, because it is not in my stream which I chose. Okay, I just wanted to learn something out of the ordinary. Well, yeah, my college faculty, my department actually recommended us to take up these extra NPTEL courses, and I did it on their behalf. Yeah, it's pretty good, and I hope they continue this.
Any suggestion?
No, that's it.
The content in the portal is fine for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
Like, how do you feel about the live sessions? Live sessions are the forums.
Well, my course was recorded like last semester, I guess. So there were no live sessions. I did not see any live sessions.
Have you asked queries in the forum?
Yeah. That is the only shortcoming I found of the this whole NPTEL is that the faculty are not very active on their forum, and you don't get any reply back. So it's so if you are having any mistakes in coding, like say you're like using 1,000 lines to to program, like if you had a live teacher, you'd say this is very inefficient. You can reduce these steps and make it. So that is not present in this NPTEL.
The course that you have taken today. See the mic and they'll ask.
I am Tamil Shelvi, working as Associate Professor in the College of Engineering, Guindy. I really felt the course, the way they handle it, and also the examination taken, everything is best, and this service has to extend it to the people continuously.
Your name, college.
My name is Sanjay. I'm from Logistics Engineering College. The course I have taken today is Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using C. NPTEL is a platform where you can think of learning anything. When you are in a stage where you don't know what to do and where to land up, but you have one thing, a specific department, a core, it may be anything which is more, which can gain employability. So it gives a platform to think of what we can do, where we can learn, so such kind of things.
Name is Srinivasan. Course is Introduction to Composites. Working in Saipam, it's oil and gas refinery section. Really, it's a very good experience, and initially we are feared more because how we are going to face that one. Introduction to Composites. The experience is very good, and it's very easy to do that.
How do you feel about the course itself, like the videos, the PPTs, the transcripts?
Yeah, it's a very all the informations are readily available, and videos and PDF also, it's very useful.
Any general feedback you want to say?
General feedback, I think it's nothing else, but the only thing some materials extraction is a little bit difficult. Some of the course extraction, that is the thing.
That thing you can find in camera.
I am Pushpakala. I am working as an associate professor in Chettinad Hospital. I appeared for a health research fundamental exam actually.
So how is the course?
Yeah, it was very useful because I am going to do my PhD. So it is very useful, and the content whatever taught by them is very useful for my PhD, I think so. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. I am N. Senthil Kumar. I am from L&T MHPS Boilers Private Limited. I am very happy to take this exam, and it was wonderful experience, and I have taken this enhancing soft skills and personality. It was very well organized, and the exam was very useful for us in our life. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That you have taken today. First say that. I'll again ask questions. You can say it. Please see the camera.
Hello, this is Dinesh. I work in Webco India, and I'm studying in Weldtech part-time. So I have taken a course of Introduction to Composites today. The oral experience was good. The arrangement made here was good. Yeah, it relates to my job. It relates to my job daily routine because I work in research and development, and it's quite useful to study this course. Yep. Thank you.
Sir, in the language, Tamil? English. Yeah. So say your name, organization you belong to, and the course that you have taken today.
Good evening. My name is Sai Prabhakar, and I do my own business, and I came here to write to take up the exam on appreciating Carnatic music. This was one of my favorite subjects since my childhood. I just thought IIT and NPTEL is organizing jointly this. Why don't I take? I thought and I took it, and the exam was excellent. It has a mixture of both theory as well as practical aspects, and very knowledgeable faculty. And I was given the best, one of the best coaching via YouTube. And I like to go in for more courses through this NPTEL IIT module. And for this July 18 and up to December, I am going to enroll for further courses. Thank you very much for the team, which has done excellently well.
Okay, so my name is Piyal De, and I'm SRM University, Ramapuram, and I took the course on Python language. So it was a great experience. The all over course, it was very simple and easy to learn. The professor was very good. He explained everything in detail and covered all the basic that we need to make up our base on the programming language. The exam was quite interesting. Questions were a little bit tough, but it was quite doable. So it was a great experience overall. Thank you.
From Kovilambakkam. I've written exam related health research fundamentals. Everything, the center and everything is pakka. Everything is well comfortable. It is the first time for me to write online examination. The next generation, I am taking journey along with next generation. Everything is fine, but the thing, basic amenities like seating. I mean, while entering in the entrance, they are supposed to sit it, or they should give some accommodation for the candidate who are going to write examination. That is what I am expecting. That is lagging here. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I'm Jashvita from IIT Madras. I took the course Signals and Systems. Basically, I had a basic knowledge, but I did want to take the exam. So I took the. I didn't do all the assignments, but still the lectures and all the tutorials which were uploaded really helped me, and the exam was also really good, so it overall helped me really well.
Thank
you. Hi, I'm Janani from SSN College of Engineering, Chennai. Our college has a local chapter here. There was no difficulty in locating this center, and on the whole easily navigable, and on the whole was a very wonderful experience, because I'm doing this online course for the first time in NPTEL, and all the lectures were all the lectures were very good, and they were very supportive. The people here were very friendly, so I had no difficulties in writing the exam. So it was on the whole a very wonderful experience. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm Shivalingam. I'm currently working in an MNC in Chennai. So I have been taking a course in Six Sigma today. I have been attending exam. It has been a wonderful experience and really application oriented towards industries, and we are expecting more courses from NPTEL which really applies directly to the industry. Thank you.
Sure.
My name is Subin. I am from SRM University, Ramapuram. The exam was very good. The staffs were cooperative. The questions were nice, and I enjoyed it. My course was programming in C algorithm. That course was offered, and I actually chose it. Like they were telling about cloud computing and all. I chose this course intentionally. My own interest. Basically, like they have segregated from the basic thing to the hard thing. Basic thing to the hard thing. So I liked it. I enjoyed it. I even downloaded the videos so that I can share with my friends, so that they can learn also.
Okay, do you suggest NPTEL courses to your friends?
Definitely I suggest, because it's like working from your home. You can learn this thing from your sitting your home itself. You don't need even a teacher. You can talk to them. Emailing is the procedure and all. You can just follow the basic instructions and you can learn more.
How was the assignments given?
Assignments was like tough. They asked me to do 8. I actually did like 4 or 5. Still they were like time basics, no, so we were not able to focus on that, but basically they were good. The question types were good.
So it was practical knowledge had been
If we have completed all the assignments, this test is nothing compared to that.
Okay, this was easy. How was the exam?
Comparative, it was nice. Like I attended the first 4-5 assignments, so the basic parts were very nice. The more of the questions were from the last 2-3 assignments, so I got trouble there.
What do you think this course would be useful for you?
See, the first thing is for certificate. The second is definitely knowledge. I learned like I needed brush up. Like I had done this course in 12th and 11th, even in first and second year. But they were not teaching that well, so I needed brush ups. This helped me in that.
So any feedback about NPTEL course?
I already gave it. It's really nice. I suggest everyone to just try it out. If you like it, just go for it. If you don't, just.
Any suggestions about the portal?
Portal is what should I suggest? Overall, it's nice. I think they should have one, means they have app also. So for that basic app, no, they should provide direct download of videos. It's connected to YouTube, no, so directly we can download from there, and we can share it to our friends also.
Do you ask questions in the queries forum?
I had interaction with one of my teachers. Hash table was one of the topic where I was suffering, so I just directly contacted him. He responded well. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Srinivasan. I'm working at SRM University Ramapuram campus in the Department of Mathematics. So here I took calculus, economics and management for calculus, the differential applications of those. So exam is good. It is easy only. So it is easy. We did well. NPTEL course is, I think it's very valuable compared with other online courses because there is genuinity in this, and it's since it is government based, it is nice to write. Everybody can do it. Yeah, not exactly. I didn't choose the paper which is related to my subject. I tried a little bit outer areas, but all near to the subject is also available, so we can pick which we like. It's a profession it is teaching, so we cannot stop learning, so always we should learn, so that is the idea. It's nice, it's good, it should be continued. Yeah, the portal is very good because we are able to get the notes as well as required videos. It's nice to learn. E-learning is nice. No, I don't think I didn't find any faults, so thank you.
Myself Madan Kumar from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram. The course I am taken is automatic control. The exam was good. The maintenance was good actually.
Hi, I'm Kavita, Associate Professor in the Sairam Institute of Technology. I came here for Programming and Data Structures exam. The exam was it was it was good. We can develop some our skills through these exams. Thank you.
I'm Mrs. Usha Madhusudan from Mylapore. நான் வந்து இந்த கோர்ஸ் NPTEL வந்து 5 months பேக் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணேன். வெரி நைஸ். உங்கள் இந்த இதை பற்றி சொல்லணுமா இல்லை? ஓகே, ஆக்சுவலி இந்த சீட்டிங் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் இந்த ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, ஈஸியாக இருந்தது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் என்னோடய டாபிக் வந்து கர்நாடிக் மியூசிக், நிறைய டைப் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருந்து. அதில் இந்த கம்ப்யூட்டர் வாஸ் டூ குட் அண்ட் கீபோர்ட் வாஸ் டூ குட். நல்லா இருந்ததால் தான் என்னால் ஈஸியாக பண்ண முடிஞ்சுது. ஈவன் இந்த ஆடியோ இது வந்து ஹெட்செட் போட்டுக்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருந்தது. ஸோ இட் வாஸ் வெரி குட். ஓவரால் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வாஸ் வெரி குட். தேங்க்யூ.
So I am John Kanagaraj, working for a private concern and working as a quality assurance executive. So this course is very much useful for me. Course name that is practitioner's course in prescriptive descriptive analysis, and the exam conducted is very good, and the atmosphere is quite calm, and all other amenities arranged are very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Akshay. My name is Akshay On. I am from VIT University. I am pursuing my MTech manufacturing engineering there. So the exam pattern was very good, really. Exam code name. I have given exam for experimental stress analysis. The study that I have means the pattern of the syllabus that they have studied, it's really good, and it's giving like a more knowledge for an upcoming fields in stress analysis, which is very necessary for an manufacturing engineers. And exam was really good, easy questions, and all based on the syllabus. Thank you.
I'm Rishabh here. I just came to give the exam on soft skills, and it was pretty good. I mean, everything was well arranged. This is the second time I'm actually giving an exam for NPTEL, and I would say the arrangements are pretty good. Apart from traveling a little too far, to find the center. Apart from that, everything is good. Thank you.
My name is Shivansh. I'm studying in Hindustan University, BTech third year. The course I opted for was Calculus for Economics, Commerce and Management. I like NPTEL because the teachers are good. They provide good knowledge to students, and the certification. This process is very good because the certification process is very good. The courses we don't like or we are unable to approach, that also we can get through NPTEL. So thank you.
I work as a teacher. My name is Dr. Madhivanan. I work with Satyabama University. I have taken 4 courses this semester: machine learning, soft computing, and what is that? Traditional and non-traditional methods of optimization and data mining. Purpose is that our university is encouraging one thing, and our students are also taking up, and I help them. Overall, this is a nice complementary movement to the regular university educational system. But on the other side, what more do I want now? I want your slides, all the courses, slides to be provided for all the courses. Currently that is not the case, and I want a lot more problems. So far it's excellent. Thank you.
If you want any, in case you have